In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove auto layout from frames and elements in Figma so you can freely move and edit objects without auto layout restrictions. Start by opening your Figma file and selecting the frame or group that currently has auto layout applied. Once selected, look at the right-hand properties panel. Under the auto layout section, you'll see the layout settings that control spacing, alignment, and padding. To remove auto layout, click the Remove Auto Layout icon located next to the auto layout heading. This will instantly detach the auto layout properties from the selected frame. After removing auto layout, all elements inside the frame will remain in place, but you will be able to move, resize, and position them independently. If you're working with multiple objects, make sure you've selected the correct parent frame that contains the auto layout settings before removing it. You can always reapply auto layout later by selecting the elements again and clicking Add Auto Layout in the right panel. Removing auto layout is useful when you need more manual control over your design or want to make custom adjustments that auto layout may restrict. And that's it. You've successfully removed auto layout in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.